Hello everybody. Nice to see you today. It's a holiday here in Korea. Well, it's my holiday here in Korea. Gonna be a short one today, so you're probably gonna be happy about that. Today I am gonna just unbag this guy. Let's get into it. So, I don't normally do unboxing. This will be like an unboxing and a literal first impressions. This in here, you probably read the title, so you know it's a bullet, a GORUCK Bullet 15. Thanks GORUCK. Very excited to have a look at this guy. You can probably see my address. I'll give one of these guys. That's right. I was a little rough with that. So, color, easy to guess. I'm a big fan of Coyote. I don't like military stuff very much, but for some reason, I like Coyote because my cat hair. You can't see cat hair on Coyote. There's a Coyote Slick, 26-liter GORUCK. Oh, I can't sing like Chase Reeves, so I'm not gonna try. End of the bag. No. This is the sternum strap, which I also wanted. There it is, sternum strap. Nice enough. I'll attach it in a second when I get into the bag. So GORUCK also sends along one of these guys. It's just this thing from Jason McCarthy. I'm not a huge fan of like GORUCK's kind of like America first marketing, but the more you the deeper you get into like watching their videos and stuff, you realize it's not really about that so much. It's about guys, girls, having fun, embracing the suck. Josh don't ruck. Thanks, George Define. I stole that from you. But really, I don't ruck. I posted a photo on Instagram yesterday. My Instagram is here of me and not on my Instagram, on my stories. Korean wives are a little bit strict. Well, at least my Korean wife is a little bit strict, and she only allows me to buy as much beer as I can carry home from a convenience store that's on the city limits. So I took my GORUCK 26-liter GR1, went to the convenience store. I'll put the photo here. Filled it up, walked home. She was actually impressed. Anyway, let's get into the bag. That's why you're here and want to keep this short. So it comes in a plastic bag. No harm, no foul. That's kind of how it goes. These Bullet Rucks, these new ones, are they are now made in 500D Cordura, and you can feel it. It feels softer for sure, a little bit softer, but it feels nice. 500D is what Mystery Ranch uses, and everybody loves Mystery Ranch. I find it weird that companies or fans get angry at companies for things like using 500D Cordura instead of 1000D Cordura, but then like the same people will say Mystery Ranch makes some of the best bags in the world and they use 500D Cordura, or Evergoods are so nice, Evergoods bags are so nice and they're 600D Cordura, or 600D even something else, I don't even know what they are, but you know, it's like, come on. Better things to worry about until your bag actually breaks. This is the Bullet Ruck. So it's a very simple bag. There are very GORUCK-y straps here on the back. They feel very stiff, like GORUCK straps normally do. They do feel a little bit different, and the reason is because the back has this 210 HD material, and that was one of the main reasons I wanted this bag, was because when some of my favorite jackets, especially like kind of spring summertime jackets, like I'm a bit worried about what the GR1 1000D is going to do to them, and I haven't had any problems yet, but you never know. This bag has the new 210D that GORUCK uses on the back, for exactly that reason, to mitigate that kind of stuff. And like when you're rucking, it's good for your back because it doesn't chafe. Nobody wants like swamp ass shoulder thing. Comes with a patch. I will be taking that off and applying my Canada patch, maybe. Overall, first impressions are very nice. Feels like a nice GORUCK bag. This one is of course made in Vietnam. It has a very typical GORUCK strap on the top here. One of the other things I really like about this bag is that the zippers are not covered, so that makes them, yeah, very smooth. They are very smooth. Without the covers, they just feel smoother because there's no cover to catch in as they go. Some MOLLE here on the front, none on the sides. Wouldn't expect that from a small bag like this. I wanted a Bullet Ruck way back when, but the reason I didn't get one was because at that time they were using just like a loop strap here, but now they've went to their normal grab handles. So let's have a quick look on the inside and then I am out of here. So these appear to be number 10 YKK zips, which is weird because I definitely read that they're number 8s. I thought. Maybe I'm just crazy. Let me have a look. Well, it doesn't say, but I am almost positive they're number 10s. They're very big, very chunky. Inside of the ruck is very simple. There's a D-ring to hang stuff from. There's like a little slip here. I'll probably put my laptop in there. There's a cat over there. That's a completely different story. On the inside, there's a little tag that definitely says built in Vietnam. Completely okay. As you know, I've talked about this on my channel before. That part does not bother me whatsoever. In fact, anyway, that's how it goes. Last thing, you've got these two, there's a cat. You got these two pockets on the top here, very similar to all GORUCKs, a little thingy here. If you want to know if your bag is made in Vietnam without kind of digging on the inside, or if you want to know if a reviewer's bag is made in Vietnam, when it says lifetime guarantee right here, made in Vietnam, built in the USA, you're welcome. The mesh here, well, that's interesting. This mesh actually feels quite nice. Maybe I'll have to take a look at it closer with my other GORUCKs. Another thing I like about this bag is it sits like very flat compared to the GR1, which has a quite like kind of goes like this. There's a place to put your water thingy, and until somebody invents one that works for coffee, I shall not be using them. Anyway, that's it for today. It's a 9-minute long video. It's probably only going to be like 5 after I cut out all the review of this coming up at some point. Also coming up on the channel, review of that guy. Quick look at that guy. That is one sexy bag. Dyneema Dispatch Day Pack. Along with some other stuff, but I'm traveling for the week, so we'll see what's coming next. All in all, this bag looks high quality, well made, and nothing that stands out to me as being nothing other than GORUCKian. So there's that. Bye bye, kids. Peace.